win for the sake of the country. She also emphasized the government's commitment to reintegrating those who wish to return to education or join the military and police forces after rehabilitation.
We are not going to allow our youth to go down the drains because of drug and substance abuse. We want to rehabilitate them and get them into a meaningful and productive life. And that is what we have been doing. We have recorded over 300 that we had reintegrated, and we are doing more.
Bashir Uba, a former service user turned ambassador of change, encouraged current drug users to embrace a mindset of transformation, highlighting the government's investment in their recovery.
We try for take drugs, get the mindset say what kind of mission are come on, and at the end of the mission I want to be an ambassador and I want to help profess this many Sweden that we're going to be.
Whereas the parents, Awanatu Simba, expressed her gratitude to the ministry and its partners, sharing the hardships faced by families as her child was affected by drug abuse.
Some of we don't lost married because of this. Some of we don't lost partners because of this. Some of we don't lost property because of this. A place, no one will explain everything. So I get it the economy names because of this. But when you are good talk yesterday, none of you good talk today because of this.
As the nation faces with the consequences of drug and substance abuse, particularly among youth, the government and its partners remain steadfast in their commitment to combat the pressing issue and foster a healthier future for all Sierra Leoneans. Slbc News in Freetown, Christiana Kamari reporting.
The Ministry of Water Resources and Sanitation, with support from UNICEF, has concluded a 4-day session to improve design and construction of watch system using the Environmental Protection Assessment Network tool. The training held at Wusum Hotel in McKinney was geared towards ensuring that engineers use the IPANET tool to improve water supply to enhance effective service delivery. Harold Williams reports.